Hello students, I am going to continue with the same topic, that is maximum and minimum. Already I have done question number 23. Today we start question number 24. Clear? Question number 24. Question number 24. Show that the right circular cone of least covered surface. Show that the right circular cone of the least covered surface and given volume has an altitude equal to root 2 times the radius of the base. Here. Cone is given. In this cone, this is radius and this is height and this is L, slant height, and we want to prove that the maximum volume when the height is equal to root 2 times of its radius. Root 2 times of its radius. And what is given in the question? Covered surface area is least. Covered surface area formula, that is pi RL, and given volume volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is given. This is the question. Clear? Now, what is question? Right circular cone of the least covered surface area. It means minimize the covered surface area, and the covered surface area of cone is pi RL. It is possible only when the height of cone is root 2 times of its radius. Clear? Now, pi RL. And what is the value of L? Slant height. According to this, slant height, like Pythagoras theorem, you know that L square is equal to R square plus H square. What is the value of L? The value of L is R square plus H square. Pi R square. Now put the value of H from here. Put the value of H. What is the value of H? What is the value of H from here? Remember that 3V upon pi r square. This is the value of H. Now, squaring both sides. Pi square, r square, and take LCM here. Pi square, r4, pi square, r6 plus 9v square. This is the main step. Check again. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. And squaring of this s square, squaring of this pi square, r square. When you square this quantity, then it will become radical free. And take LCM. LCM pi square r4. Pi square r4 multiplied by r square, that is pi square r6 plus 9v square. Clear? Now, pi square to pi square cancel, and this r square to this cancel. Now you can let this is equal to z. Now pi square r to the power 6 divided by r square, that is pi square r to the power 4 plus 9v square upon r square. Now the question converts in the variable of r. The differentiate both sides with respect to r. Now the derivative of r to the power 4, you know, that is 4 pi square r cube, and minus, what is the derivative of 1 by r square? 1 by r square, you know, you can write r to the power minus 2 and its derivative is minus 2 r to the power minus 3, Therefore, you can say minus 2 by r cube. This is the derivative of 1 by r squared. 9 to the 18 v square upon r to the power 3. And put this is equal to 0. When you put this is equal to 0, then the result becomes 4 pi square r to the power 3 is equal to 18 v square upon r cube. Correct? Now cross multiply, what will happen? Cross multiply 4 pi square r to the power 6, that is 18 v square. 4 pi square r to the power 6, 18. What is the value of v? Volume. What is the value of v? What is this value here? That is pi r square h divided by 3 whole square. And it will become 18, that is pi square r4 h square divided by 9. When you simplify, the cancel is the help of every 9. 4 pi square r to the power 6 is equal to 2 pi square r to the power 4 h square. Clear? Very important questions, very complicated. That is pi square of pi square cancel. R to the power 6 and r to the power 4 cancel, that it becomes 2 r square, that is equal to h square. Taking square root both sides. The result is h is equal to root 2r. H is equal to root 2r. Clear? We want to prove that the curved surface area of the cone is least if the height of the cone is equal to root 2 times of its radius. And in this question, volume is given. Now we have to find second order derivative. The second order derivative of this, d square z upon dr square. The derivative of this, that is 12 pi square r square. And the derivative of 1 by x r to the power 3. Derivative of 1 by r to the power 3. You can write r to the power minus 3. And the derivative of r to the power minus 3, minus 3 r to the power minus 4. Therefore, you can say that is 54 v square upon r to the power 4. And you know that all are positive quantity, pi square, r square, r to the power 4 and v square. Square of any number always positive. Therefore, overall you can say this result is positive. D square z by dr square, that is greater than or equal to 0. If second order derivative is greater than 0, then you can say that the curved surface area of cone is minimized least if height is equal to root 2 times of its radius. This is the question number 24. Check again. Clear? Again? Clear? Now, next question. Question number 26. Question number 26. It is the last question of exercise 6.5. Very difficult, very important questions. Show that the semi-vertical angle of right circular cone of the given surface area and the maximum volume is sine inverse 1/3. In this question, semi-vertical angle. This is vertical angle. This complete angle is vertical angle, and this angle is alpha. And what is given in this question? Given in this question, that is surface area is given pi RL plus pi R square given, and we have to maximize the volume. That is volume of a cone, that is 1/3 pi R square h. Maximize this volume. That volume is maximum when the alpha becomes sine inverse 1/3. Alpha becomes sine inverse 1/3. Clear? This is R, this is H, and this is L. Again, what is the question? Show that semi-vertical angle of right circular cone of given surface area and maximum volume is sine inverse 1/3. Now we start this question. You know that 1/3 pi R square. What is the value of H? H L square minus R square. From here, you know that L square is equal to H square plus R square. What is the value of H? Applied by the cost, no? L square minus R square. Now put the value of L. Pi R square by 3. Put the value of L. What is the value of L from here? From equation number first. What is the value of L? That is S minus pi R square upon pi R whole square minus R square. Clear? Further simplify, pi R square by 3, and you can take LCM here. Yes, think seriously without any disturbance. LCM is pi square R square A minus B whole square S square plus pi square R4 minus 2 S pi R square minus pi square R to the power 4. And you know that this is the like term cancel. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring of this pi square R4 upon 9, and thus when you square the radical filling, S square minus 2S pi R square upon pi square R square, pi square to pi square cancel, that this is equal to Z, and R square to this cancel, R square 1/9. Multiply this complete term with R square, multiply with R square, that is S square R square minus 2S pi R to the power 4. This is Z. Now can you differentiate with respect to R, because the complete expression in the form of R. Now differentiate both sides with respect to R. 1/9, that is derivative of R square, 2S square R minus, that is 8S pi R cube. Now can you take common? You can take common 2SR. 2SR common. When you take 2SR common, the S, the remaining term from here you can take common 2SR. That is 4 pi R square, and put this equal to 0. You know that R is not equal to 0. Therefore, S is equal to 4 pi R square. S is equal to 4 pi R square. Now check. You know that, put this value in equation number 1. Put in equation number 1. Put this value in equation number 1. 4 pi R square is equal to pi RL plus pi R square. Correct? 4 pi R square minus pi R square, that is 3 pi R square, pi RL, pi to pi cancel, R to R cancel, that is 3 R is equal to L, and you know that R by L is equal to, can you write 1 by 3? R by L. Now you can tell R by L. R is the perpendicular, and the perpendicular by hypotenuse in right angle triangle, perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is sine. You can write here sine alpha, that is 1 by 3. And what is the value of alpha? Sine inverse 1 by 3. Now second order derivative. Second order derivative, d square z upon dr square. Second order derivative of what? Second order derivative of this portion, the simplest form. Second order derivative of this R, derivative of R, you know, 1. Therefore you can say 1 by 9 2s square, and the derivative of R cube when you that is 3r square multiplied by 8, 24 s pi R square. Now in this expression put s is equal to 4 pi R square, that is 1 by 9. When you put here 4 pi R square, square of this 16 to the 32 pi square R4. When you put the value of s here, 4 pi R square, 24 4 ja 96 pi square R4. 32 minus 96 minus 64 pi square R4 by 9. You know that R4 is greater than equal to 0 and pi square also positive. Therefore, overall you can say this is less than 0. You know that if second order derivative is less than 0, it means volume is maximum. Therefore, you can say volume of cone is maximum if alpha is equal to sine inverse 1 by 3. This is the complete solution of this question. Very important question. Here. Then your homework, try to solve this question. Now 6.5 exercise complete, and try to solve all the example of this exercise. Clear? Thank you.